Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur, or in this video we are going to discuss about if you have a limited liability partnership, it means LLP, and you want to convert the said LLP into private limited company or public limited company. So in this video we will discuss about the procedure for conversion of LLP into the private or public company. In this video, in addition to that, we will also cover the practical process and steps involved in conversion of the LLP into the private or public company, and what are the documentation required and what are the conditions which is required to be complied before going to the conversion of the LLP into private or public company. So you have to now the provisions according to which the conversion of LLP into a private or public company is regulated. So Section 366 of the Companies Act 2013 and companies authorized to register rules 2014. Under Section 366(2), the process of conversion of LLP and into the private limited company or public limited company is governed. And in addition to that, companies authorized to register rules 2014 is also applicable on the conversion. Right, as per Section 366 subsection 2 of the Companies Act 2013, any company formed in pursuance of any act of parliament other than Companies Act consisting of 2 or more members may at any time register under Companies Act as an unlimited company, limited by share company, limited by guarantee company. Right, provided their company with less than 7 members shall register as a private limited company. What are the reasons due to which any person goes for the conversion of LLP into the private or public limited company? If limited liability partnership is converted to a company, then capital gain tax arising therefrom will be exempted subject to some conditions. Private company can raise funds from public versus right issue पर preferential allotment. इसके अलावा जो है कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर सकती है अन्य एब्जॉर्ब लॉसेस को, और डेप्रिसिएशन जो भी लास्ट ईयर्स के हैं उनको कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर सकती है. प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी क्या है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टर को अट्रैक्ट कर सकती है इन कंपेयर टू द LLP. ठीक है, कन्वर्जन से क्या होता है, एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस को ग्रोथ मिलती है और काफ़ी सारे सिनर्जीज जो है वहाँ पर इनको मिलती है. इसके बाद LLP को जो है हायर इनकम टैक्स रेट जो है LLP अट्रैक्ट्स हायर इनकम टैक्स रेट एज कम्पेयर टू कंपनी, यानी कंपनीज पर जो है कम इनकम टैक्स रेट यहाँ पर लगती है. अब हम जानेंगे प्रैक्टिकल प्रोसेस हाउ टू कन्वर्ट द LLP into the company, right? Whether it's a public company or whether it's a private company. First step, form URC2. So first of all, the person who is planning to convert the said LLP into the company, so a notice seeking objections for conversion of LLP into company must be published in form URC2 in at least 2 newspapers, one in local language wherein the head office is situated, another is English language newspaper. In second step, filing of SPICE Part A form. Name must be approved from ROC, but LLP will be replaced by the private limited company. Filing URC1 and SPICE Part B, INC 33, 34, Agile as NC9. After getting the approval of the name from the registrar of companies and after 21 days from the publication of newspaper advertisement, form number URC1 and SPICE along with following documents shall be filed. URC1 के साथ क्या क्या अटैचमेंट लगेगी, रिटर्न कंसेंट और NOC फ्रॉम ऑल पार्टनर्स फॉर कन्वर्जन ऑफ कंपनी, डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स फॉर वेरीफाइंग द पर्टिकुलर्स ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स, कॉपी ऑफ लेटेस्ट ITR, NOC फ्रॉम रजिस्ट्रार टू कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम LLP टू कंपनी, LLP विद सप्लीमेंट्री एग्रीमेंट, पैन कार्ड ऑफ LLP साइंड बाय पार्टनर्स, सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इनकॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ LLP साइंड बाय पार्टनर्स, लिस्ट ऑफ particulars of partners in LLP, list showing the particulars of person proposed as the first director, auditor certificate, latest statement of account, resolution statement, your SPICE ID proof and address of director, DIR2, resolution of partner for conversion of LLP, proof of registered office. This is the whole process for conversion of LLP into the private limited company or public limited company. I hope this video is very helpful for you to understand the practical process of conversion LLP to private limited company or public limited company. If you have single query related to this, so you can also contact on the number given on the screen. If you have any query related to the income tax, GST, trademark or import export, you can also contact on the number given on the screen. Thank you very much for watching this video.